Hey guys, it's Boy Joel here, and today I went to the hair salon and I got peekaboo, and I'll show you at the end of the video. But my hairdresser said that she collected Barbie dolls, and she said you can pick one out. So I picked out this one, and I was like really excited. It was from 2003, so she's 18 years old, but I'm gonna go with 25. And here's what she looks like. She's so beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let's get to unboxing her. So, first gotta take off the lid. First take off the lid. Make sure you watch till the end so you can see my new hair color. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. She's even further here. And these are real trees, like they actually took out real trees. So yes. My God, she's beautiful. Oh, that's already done. God, she's so beautiful. Look at her crown, like she's in the queen. So let's get into wrapping her. First, I'm going to start with one arm. You have to untwist it. Untwist it from the back of the thing. So let's get to untwisting. Oh, this one came off easily. Just pull her out. Just pull her out. I need for CPR. My roofers are up top. So you might hear them banging on there. Should have done it this way. And also you can kind of see the a little bit. But I'll show you all of it. Okay, you've got the first one out. Come on. I'm trying to bring her out. I'm going to like play with her like all the time. Like, sorry, the Barbie's like, she got replaced by a queen. Strapping the second one. Nope. How do you do this then? Okay, there's only one more strap, and then I get to show you the shoulder. This one is not going to be easy though. Oh my God, guys. She is officially, are you kidding me? she will be officially out any second now. Excuse me. She's being held on hostage. Oh, even comes with like a cute little stand. That's what I thought that was. I'm finally holding her. She is so gorgeous. And also look at these trees. I think they can come out. We'll figure that in a minute. Actually, I might figure that out after the video. And I'll show you guys my short. And also I have a new dollhouse set up, so I will be doing that after this video. But look how gorgeous, cute. I don't even know how to describe her. She's like so gorgeous. She's 18 years old. Like, she's not with this box since 18 years old. Like, that's insane to me. Her belt, her beautiful dress. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. And also, for you guys, I'm glad to see my peekaboo. So I got my hair dyed red. Make sure that is it right? I love it so much. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxing. Bye guys, hope you have an amazing day and